Carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide makes up only 0.03% of air. Though present in traces, it is very important gas. Let's talk about uses of carbon dioxide. Green plants use carbon dioxide gas to prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, and the process of making food by green plants in presence of sunlight is called as photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide does not support burning, therefore it is used to extinguish fire, and solid carbon dioxide called as dry ice is used in cooling. Carbon dioxide is used in aerated drinks, also known as carbonated drinks. Here we have properties of carbon dioxide. It is a colorless and odorless gas. It is soluble in water and it can be cooled to convert it into solid called as dry ice, and it turns lime water milky. Next is water vapor. The amount of water vapor present in air varies from place to place. In coastal area, the air has higher percentage of water vapor, whereas in desert area, the amount of water vapor is less. Uses of water vapor. Water vapor is important part of water cycle and is responsible for formation of rain, mist, frost and dew. Here is an activity to show that air contains water vapor. Materials required are a dry glass, some ice cubes, and a thick cardboard or a plate. Let's talk about the procedure. So place some ice cubes in a completely dry glass and cover the glass with thick cardboard or a plate and let it stand for a few minutes. What do you observe? Do tiny droplets of water appear on the outside of the glass? Run a finger around the glass. Is it wet? So here we can see a glass is filled with ice cube and we can see that droplets are there on outside of the glass. So we can observe tiny water droplets on outside of the glass, from which we can conclude that air around the glass gets cooled because of the presence of ice, and cool air cannot hold much water, and some of the water vapor present in air therefore changes into water drops. Next we have noble gases. Noble gases were discovered by Lord Rayleigh and Sir William Ramsay. These gases are present in traces in air. Example of noble gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, radon, xenon. Noble gases are chemically unreactive and hence are also known as inert gases or rare gases. Here we have some uses of various noble gases. Helium, being a very light gas, is used to fill weather observation balloons. Liquid helium is used to produce very low temperature. Argon is used to fill electric light bulbs as it does not oxidize the bulb filament. Argon is also used in welding metals. Radon is used for the treatment of cancer. Neon is used in advertising signs. When electricity is passed through an electric tube filled with neon gas, it glows red. Lighthouse lamps are filled with krypton and xenon. Mixture of noble gases produce lights of different colors. Next is dust and smoke. When fuels like petrol and diesel burn, they produce smoke. You must have also noticed smoke coming out from tall chimneys in factories and exhaust of automobiles containing harmful gases and dust particles. The tall chimneys in factories keep the smoke away from us. Have you ever seen tiny and shiny particles floating in sunlight when sunlight is allowed to enter a dark room through a slit? These are dust particles present in air, and when we breathe air through our nostrils, the dust particles present in air also enter our nostril, and we have fine hairs and sticky mucus inside our nose. These filter the dust particles present in air we breathe and do not allow them to enter our body.